أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ahlul Quran, I hope and pray that you're on the best state of health and increasing state of Iman, inshallah. Today, inshallah, we'll learn ayah number 3 of Surah Rahman. خلق الإنسان. خلق. Letter Kha and letter Qaf are the heavy letters. These letters should be pronounced heavily, inshallah. خلق. Letter Qa is connected to the letter Lam, which is in Al-Insana. Hamzatul Wasl, which is in the beginning of the word Al-Insana, is ignored. We will connect the letter Qaf to letter Lam, Al-Qamariyya. Khalaqal Insana. Nun Sakin is followed by Sin. The ruling of Ikhfa is applied here. Ikhfa means to hide. The sound of Nun Sakin is hidden in Gunna. Gunna means to nasalize. Insana. Letter Sin has fatha on it, which is followed by the letter Alif, which means we will be stretching the letter Sin for 2 haraka due to madda tabi'i. Just because we are adding sakin to the noon with fatha due to waqf, now we can stretch the letter Sin for 2 or 4 or 6 count according to mad'ul arid lis sukun, the mad which is due to temporary sukun which we're applying on noon during waqf, and due to the huruf al-mad which is after the letter Sin. Khalaqal insan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.